So you've chosen your colour and you know what mesh or fly wire you want, and now it's time to measure your door frame. So let me show you just how easy it is. This quick video will show you how to measure your door frame ready for your new security or screen door. As we go, simply fill in the online form. First, we'll check a few things to make sure your new security door can be installed properly. Check that the handle of your existing timber door will not interfere with the new hinge security door. If the existing door handle extrudes past the jamb, tick the jam adapter required box. Check for any obstructions within the swing path of the new door, looking for any objects, lights, walls, stairs, and uneven ground that may interfere with the door opening. Now, looking at the door from the outside, which way would you like your door to open? Select the left-hand side or the right-hand side. For clean movement of both door handles, check that the handles of both doors will not clash. If your new door handle will sit above the existing door handle, ensure it has a minimum clearance of 200 millimeters. Now we can measure the door opening. Measure the height of the opening in two places, the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Next, measure the width of the opening at the top, the centre and bottom. Finally, we need to check if the frame is square. Measure from the bottom right to the top left and the bottom left to the top right. That's it. And as always, double check your measurements. Submit your measurement form and we will provide you with an estimate to manufacture your new door. With Aussie Aluminium, it really is as simple as 1, 2, 3.